Hello people, welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn about the quality function deployment. So quality function deployment is a method used in a product or the process development to ensure that we are meeting all the customer need or requirement. It is a systematic approach that help organization to prioritize the customer need and translate into the specific technical requirement or the design characteristics. So this is a 5-step main process, high level. Step number 1, we identify the customer need. So in this step, we involve in gathering the information about what are the need or expectation or the preference of the target customers. And this can be done through the surveys, maybe interviews, maybe focus group, or maybe any other market research method. Once you identify the customer need, then the second we go and prioritize the customer need. So we prioritize based on the importance to the customer and their impact on the success of the product or the process. So prioritization, you can use a scale like as 1 to 5. Then we translate the customer need into a specific technical requirement. So in this step, we prioritize the customer need are translated into a specific technical requirement and design characteristics. This involves working closely with engineers, designers, and the other technical expert to ensure that the customer needs are accurately reflected in the product or the process design. Now, in the fourth step, we create a QFD metric. So it's a tool that is used to organize and prioritize the technical requirement and design characteristics based on their relationship to the customer need. It helps to ensure that the most important customer need are addressed in the product or the process design. The last step, which talks about the continuous improvement. So QFT is not a one-time activity, but rather it's a continuous process of improvement. As new information become available and as customer need involve, the QFT process be revisited or to be revisited to ensure that the product or the process continues to meet the need of the customer. So by using the QFT, organizations can ensure that their product and the process are designed and developed with a clear understanding of customer need and preferences. And this can lead to a higher customer satisfaction, involve product, process, performance, and competitive advantage in the marketplace. Now, how QFT will work? Let's take a practical example. So for you people, it's example I have created. Suppose you are looking, maybe you are working in an automobile industry and you are looking for a car manufacturing and you wanted to improve the customer satisfaction. So first thing we will understand that what all are the customer requirement. Maybe you being a customer, you are looking for the speed in a car. You are looking for the fuel economy. You are looking for the safety. It should be cost effective. It should be comfortable in drive and sitting. The car should be reliable. There should be a good visual appeal, and there shouldn't be any environmental effect on that. So these are the customer requirement basis on that we are supposed to design a car. On a scale of 1 to 5, I found the priority of the customer requirement like speed is not a priority for the customer. On a scale of 1 to 5, it is 2. Fuel economy is 3, but safety is at that most important. So safety should be 5 out of 5. Overall, it should be cost effective in terms of the maintenance. So 3, it should be comfortable while you are driving or sitting. The car should be reliable. It should not break down. On a scale of 1 to 5, it should be 5, the most important. Should give a visual appeal as a 4 on a scale of 1 to 5. And environmental impact is around 3 or 5. Now, These are what are the things your customer is looking for. Now, how I can design a car which will fulfill all of these needs. So to maintain all of these needs, I need to maintain a car weight, car dimension, size of engine and the power of engine, the fuel propulsion and the technologies and the user interface. So these are I just shortlisted, these are the 5 things which may have a significant impact on your customer requirement. Now, the next thing we will be establishing the relationship between what we have to deliver and how I can deliver as a low, medium, and high. Low means scoring is 1, medium means scoring is 3, and high means scoring is 9. This is the way we'll be doing the scoring. Now, if I look for the speed, does it has a relationship with the car weight? Answer is yes. It has a high relationship. So high means 9. Does the fuel economy has a relationship with the car weight? Answer is yes, but it's very low. So it's a 1. Or maybe you can say medium relationship. So I'm marking this as a 3. Now, does your safety has a relationship with the car weight? Answer is yes. So 3. Is it cost effective with the car weight? Answer is no, it is not relation to cost effectiveness with the car weight. So answer is 1, which is the low, 3 is medium, and 9 is high. Comfortable with the car relationship? Answer is no, there is no relation. So I'm leaving this as a blank. It is reliable, has a relationship with the car weight, very low. So answer is 1. Visual appeal has any relationship with the car weight? I am marking there is no relationship. So neutral. I am marking as a nil. Environmental effect has a relationship with the car weight? Answer is yes. So marking as a 1. Now what next I will do? I will calculate the technical importance score of that, which basically I am calculating the weighted average of the rating with the car weight. So you multiply 9 into 2, 18, plus 3 into 3, 9, plus 3 into 3, 9, plus 3 into 1, 3, plus 5, and plus 3. The overall score will come as in 53. You can use one formula, I can tell you here, which formula is stand for sum product, which means you have the priority selected, comma, the weight you have selected for this. Basically, weight means the rating, low, medium, or high. Close the bracket and you will get the same score. Though I use the manual formula here, which is the sum product multiply addition, multiply addition. So I got the same 53 score. Shortcut is using the formula of the sum product and you will get it. Now, the similar way I did for the car dimension. Does your car dimension has a relationship with the speed? Very low. Does it has a car dimension relationship with the fuel efficiency? Answer is no, nil. Does your safety has a relationship with the car dimension? Low. Does your cost effectiveness has a relation with the car dimension? Nil. Comfortable with the car dimension? Low. Reliable with the car dimension? Nil. And visual appeal with the car dimension? Low. Environmental impact with the car dimension? Nil. So this score with the sum product came as in 50. Now, if we talk about the engine size and the horsepower, does your engine size and the horsepower will have the speed relationship? Answer is yes, and that is high. So high means 9. Does your fuel efficiency will have a relationship with the engine power? Answer is yes, and it's high. Does safety has any relationship with the engine power and horsepower? Answer is nil, so leaving it blank. Your cost effectiveness has a relationship with the engine power? Answer is yes, so it's a medium. 3. Low ranking, comfortable with the horsepower? 1. Reliability with the horsepower and engine power is low, so 1. Visual appeal with the engine power and horsepower nil, so leaving it blank. Environmental impact with the engine power and horsepower low, so it's a 1. And when you multiply this rating with the engine horsepower and adding the sum of each of the row, you got the score of 66. The similar way we have this with the fuel and technology, the score is 79. and user interface, we got around 37. Now we'll be taking the sum product one more time as an overall weighted score, which means you are multiplying 2 into 9, 18, plus 2 into 1, 2, 18 plus 2 is 20, plus 9 into 2, 18 is, again, how much? Is 38, plus 2 into 1, 2, plus, so this will become your 40. Now 3 into 3, 9, plus 9 threes are 27, is 36, plus 9 threes are 27. Altogether, it will become 63. So we got this score of the weighted score. Now, if I wanted to calculate the importance in the percentage, so I will divide this score of 53 by got for a specific point, for a specific feature, by the total weighted score 250. So if you see 53 divided by 250, the percentage is 21. 15 divided by 250, percentage is 6. 66 divided by 250, percentage is 26. 79 divided by 250, percentage is 32. And 37 divided by 250 is 15. Altogether, we got is in 100%. Now, basis on the percentage, you arrange this in a descending order. If I look, so wherever is the highest score, the percentage contribution, that become your priority 1. Second highest will be your priority 2, then priority 3, priority 4, and priority 5. Which means if you are looking to improve this car manufacturing customer experience, first priority as in you should be focusing on the fuel and the technologies. The second priority out of this, you should be looking for the engine and the horsepower. So this is the level 1 QFT. When you will look back, how you can reduce the car weight. So car weight is your watt, it will come here. Car dimension will come here. Engine horsepower will come here. Then again, we do the brainstorming and try to find out how we can improve. Like this, we will create a multiple layers of the QFT till the time we reach to the conclusion, okay, these are my last feature which I should be including. And this is the way we create the QFT. There are some other thing in the QFT, like as this is giving the positive impact or negative impact or no impact, which we can mark here. In the bottom, you have got the rating. In case you have any target or the current performance or benchmark number, you can mention here. Like this we go. And that's how the QFT will work. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for your time today, and I'll see you in the next session.